In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recipe to your Wix website. Whether you're a food blogger, a culinary enthusiast, or a professional chef, displaying your recipes online in an appealing and organized way can make all the difference. So let's dive right into it. To start, make your way to your Wix site's dashboard. Once you're there, direct yourself over to the Wix App Market. This is where you can access a variety of apps that can enhance the functionality of your website. In the search bar, type in recipes to find apps specifically designed to help you showcase recipes on your site. With the search results in front of you, it's time to choose an app that fits your specific needs. You might want to consider something like the Recipes app by Disha IT LLC, or perhaps the Cooking Recipes app. Both of these options offer great features to help you elegantly present your culinary creations. Once you've decided on the perfect app, go ahead and click on the Add to Site button. This will begin the process of integrating the app with your website. Adding an app to your site is straightforward, but there's always a bit of setup required to make sure it works seamlessly with your existing content. Following the addition of the app, the next step is embedding and configuring it according to your preferences. Each app may have its own set of instructions, but generally speaking, this will involve copying and pasting an embed code into your site, or it may include using a widget configurator. These tools will let you design and add a personalized recipe gallery to your page, allowing your visitors to easily browse through your delicious dishes. As you configure and embed, make sure that the style and layout of the recipes fit well with the overall design of your site. Being mindful of font choices, colors, and image sizes can create a cohesive and professional look that enhances your visitors' experience. And there you have it. With these steps, you can successfully integrate a recipe app into your Wix website, allowing your recipes to shine online. Remember, this is more than just adding text and pictures. It's about crafting a visual and interactive experience that draws people in and keeps them coming back for more. Thanks for joining me today and learning how to add a recipe to your Wix website. I hope this has been helpful and inspiring for your web design journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. And until next time, happy cooking and happy designing.